I will put the three examples here in the screen so you can compare them side by side and see the difference in the fee that is charged from Airbnb, the two cases, and in Booking.com. I will tell you what's the actual final amount that you will get out of £1,000 if you post your property in Airbnb and Booking.com. In Airbnb, the commissions will be divided in two. It depends if you have smart pricing on or you don't have smart pricing. So if we put this example of the phone house, and the phone house you got a booking of £1,000. If you have smart pricing on, that's not the actual amount that your guest is going to pay. Your guest is actually going to pay that 1,000 plus 14% plus VAT. What that means is that it's 14%. Here in the UK, VAT is 20%. So the total commission that the guests have to pay will be 14% times 1.2, and that's about 16.8%. What that means, if it's the total cost of your property per night is 1,000, the actual amount that the guest is going to pay is that 1,000 times 16.8%, and that's 1,168. And you, as a host, you will have to pay 3% on the price that you set for the property. So the 1,000, you have to pay 3% plus VAT. So the commission will be 3% times 1.2, that's about 3.6%. That's the amount that you will have to pay. So the total amount that the host you will receive out of the 1,000 that you set the property per night is 964. Then the difference between what the guest paid and what you, the host, receive is about 21.2%. By the way, just in case that you don't know what smart pricing is, smart pricing is just a tool that Airbnb has. They adjust the pricing for you. You set a minimum and a maximum, and then Airbnb changes the prices between the minimum and the maximum that you set, depending on the demand in the location where your house is. Without smart pricing, let's go to the same example. In this case, the guest is not going to be charged any commission. So the guest will actually pay £1,000. But then, and here's the difference, you, the host, will have to pay 15% plus VAT on the cost of the property that you set in Airbnb. The actual commission that Airbnb will charge you is 15% times 1.2, the VAT, and that's about 18%. Then, out of each £1,000 that the guest paid, the host will receive £820, and that's a commission on about 18%. Booking.com, as far as I'm aware, it doesn't have a tool similar to smart pricing. So the fee that they charge to you is actually very simple. To the guest, they don't charge any commission. So whatever price you set, that's the actual price that the guest will have to pay. To the host, they charge 15% commission plus VAT. Okay, so it will be the same as Airbnb, 18% without smart pricing. The difference is that 15% is only if you can charge the guest by credit card when they arrive to your property. If you want them to take the payment online, then you need to add a 1.3% to that 15%. That will make a total of 16.3% commission the Booking.com takes plus VAT. So that's 16.3%. You have to multiply by 1.2, 20% VAT, and it gives you approximately a total fee of 19.5%. If we come back to the same example, for a property you charge £1,000 per night, the guest will have to pay £1,000. Then you'll be charged 19.5%, and you will receive in the end £805 for each £1,000 that the guests pay. I will put the three examples here in the screen so you can compare them side by side and see the difference in the fee that is charged from Airbnb, the two cases, and in Booking.com. That's it for today.